Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. I managed to survive my birthday. I don't know how, but I managed to survive. It was a nice day, actually. I woke up, watched some YouTube, had a cup of coffee, watched some more YouTube, ate breakfast, watched some more YouTube, had a nap, ate lunch, watched some more YouTube, took a nap. Watch some more YouTube, dinner, cake, ice cream. Watch some more YouTube. Now here I am. Busy, 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 busy. Uh, you saw this Christmas present, birthday present. Rechargeable electric screwdriver, 3 newtons. There was a drywall screw in the wood trim. Didn't want to come out. It came out. I do believe this unit will do what I want it for. That's power feed for my mill. And crush light on the lathe. Yeah, okay. I'm going to put some stills I took today. You know, the preparations and all that. Good night from California.